What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're trying to get rid of odors in your car, you might want to try this. So this is actually something I picked up a little while ago and actually wasn't planning on showing you. It's by Adams Polishes. You know, Adams is a name and brand that I like and have really had a lot of success with. So it's no surprise maybe that this is something that works pretty well. But, you know, like any car, you can have odors from animals to debris to just the rotting of mats and materials in your car. And if you have any of that, you might want to just try to get rid of it or neutralize them, you know, without trying to mask them with other scents. And so I picked this up because, you know, there's a lot of cars here that just don't smell that fresh after some time. And so I gave a couple spritz of this, and here's my thoughts. In particular, one of my cars, the Prowler back there, you know, it just kind of starts smelling a little bit like an old car, and I've done a lot of things to kind of keep the vents clean and whatnot. But I gave it a couple spritz of this, and it works so well that I have spritzed all my cars with it. And what I want to say here is that actually once you spray this, say into the fabric, if you have cloth seats, that you can use that. If you spray it into carpeting or underneath the seat, you know, there might be stuff in there like a loose French fry or something. And this just helps absorb those smells. I think that's what happens. Now, when you do spray it, you do have a little bit of a scent right out of the gate. And it's not a bad scent, but I thought, you know, it smells a little perfumey. It's fairly mild, kind of like an aromatic strawberry or something. And I thought, well, you know, it's not a bad smell, but it smells a little bit like typical air freshener from a car wash or something. But, you know, if that smell lingered, it doesn't really smell like new car smell. It doesn't smell bad, but there's definitely an odor. And I thought, well, you know, at least it kind of masks the other odor or gets rid of them or displaces them or whatever. But that smell doesn't really last that long. In fact, when I came out to my cars the next day and just opened them up, I really couldn't detect it particularly, and the whole car didn't really smell of anything. So I'll be honest, this odor neutralizer seemed to work. You don't have to use much of it. I just kind of sprayed the back footwells and the front footwells, maybe just a single pump on each, and you know, it really worked wonders. So I'm really impressed with this. As you can see here, I've got mostly a full bottle, and I have used this in all my cars so far, and I've been really impressed. So we'll try some other things too as needed, but so far this Adams Odor Neutralizer has been a product that's really impressed me. So I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.